Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the country is United States America. First, let's know the country.
Today we gather to celebrate the remarkable journey of the United States of America, a nation that has carved its place in history with its rich culture, astounding landscapes, and resilient spirit. At the heart of our nation lies Washington, D.C., the capital of the USA, where the wheels of democracy turn. It's here that the U.S. Congress convenes to debate and decide the future of our country. From the majestic flow of the Mississippi River, the longest river in the USA, to the towering heights of Denali, the highest mountain in the USA, our nation's landscapes are as diverse as they are breathtaking. The Grand Canyon in Arizona stands as a testament to the natural beauty and geological wonder that defines our land. In 2020, the country was under the leadership of President Donald Trump, a pivotal figure in our contemporary political landscape. The US dollar, our steadfast currency, has been a symbol of economic strength and global influence. The rose, our national flower, blooms across the states, symbolizing the beauty and resilience of our nation. English, the main language of the USA, unites us in our communication and cultural expression. Every year on July 4th, we commemorate our U.S. Independence Day, celebrating the birth of our nation with fireworks, parades, and a sense of unity. The largest U.S. state by area, Alaska, exemplifies the vastness and grandeur of our country. In New York City, the Statue of Liberty stands tall, a beacon of hope and freedom to millions. Our first U.S. President, George Washington, laid the foundations of our democracy, and his legacy continues to inspire. Institutions like Harvard University symbolize our commitment to education and excellence. Football, a popular U.S. sport, brings us together, creating moments of shared excitement and community. NASA, headquartered in Houston, is a symbol of our pioneering spirit in space exploration. From the fictional worlds of detectives like Sam Spade to the iconic skyline dominated by structures like the Statue of Liberty in NYC, our cultural contributions are vast. Central Park, a famous garden in New York, provides a green oasis amidst urban life. Classic American TV shows like Friends have entertained and connected audiences worldwide. The traditional hamburger stands as a beloved symbol of American cuisine. Our literary heritage includes Nobel laureate John Steinbeck, whose works continue to resonate with readers globally, capturing the essence of the American experience. In conclusion, the United States of America is a land of remarkable diversity, strength, and unity. From its natural wonders to its cultural icons, from its historic milestones to its ongoing innovations, this is a nation that continues to inspire and lead. Let us celebrate all that we have achieved and look forward to a future filled with promise and possibility. Thank you.
Now let's move on to our round of questions. Comment below if you got right answers.
Thank you for watching. If you got something for your knowledge, subscribe, comment, and like this video.